ang pawis ko na kasi ang init-init ngayon sa Pilipinas. Ayun, so we're here, we're home, and we're in the kitchen because it's not a normal taste test and everything. We're gonna recreate the very famous recipe of Chanyeol of EXO. So I just watched a video from Shumin's housewarming party ba yun? Basta nanonood ako sa V-Live nung housewarming party ng isang member. I think it's Shumin. Tapos yun, ginawa ni Chanyeol yung recipe niya and I tried to search over the net on how to do it. So right now we're gonna do it. So let's start na, and here are the ingredients.
First thing in the list is garlic, water, chili powder, hot pepper paste or what they call gochujang, rice cake, fish cake, sugar, hard-boiled eggs, and soy sauce.
So, I showed you the ingredients na, and that's all. Super konti lang na ingredients. And right now, we're gonna cut the fish cake. So, let's cut it.
First is you have to boil some water. Then when the water is hot, you put the rice cakes inside. Wait for the rice cakes to boil, and when it's boiling, you just put everything in there. You start with the red paste, the hot chili powder, everything. Just put everything in there except for the hard-boiled eggs because that's the one that you're gonna put last.
And now, here is the finished product. It doesn't look so appetizing, but it's really so good. Let's taste it. Namatay na yung camera ko, so dito na lang tayo. Wait, one second. I tailored everything sa taste ko. Nagdagdag ako ng sugar, nagdagdag ako ng soy sauce, tapos ginamit ko yung green more than the red paste na ginagamit nila kasi ayoko nang masyadong maanghang. And yung chili powder, super konti lang na nilagay ko. So, yun, it depends on your taste. Tikman-tikman nyo na rin. Pero, ayun lang yung mga ingredients na kailangan nyo gamitin. Hindi ako gumamit ng spring onions kasi wala kaming spring onions. So, eto na lang. And I love it. Sarap.
So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. See you in my next videos.